Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Kawasaki KLX300 Dual Sport. This street legal dirt bike just arrived with only 22 miles on the odometer. You heard me right. Brand new, still under factory warranty. Come on by and pick this one up for only $59.99. Fuel injected, liquid cooled. This lightweight dual sport is in beautiful shape. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.